Hi everyone, welcome to Shopify Dropshipping A to Z course. In this video, I will give you overview of Shopify dashboard. So let's have a look. First of all, you will log into your Shopify account. After login, you will find out the left menu with different options. Like when we click on the home menu, uh, you will see some analytics like total sale breakdown, sale by channel, your top product of your store, uh, payout schedule. So home page will display analytics of your store. Second, you will find out the order that need to be fulfilled. So you can find out the order in the order tab. There are options for draft order and abandoned checkout order. So you can find out all the order from order tab. Next is the product tab. Product tab will show all product of your store. You can add product from this option, add product. It will also show you the inventory transfer, and the important thing is the collection. So you can create collection for your store from this menu. You simply just click on create collection, put the needed information like title, description, collection type, etc. So you are then after entering all the information, click on the save button. So you can create collection from this menu. You can also create gift cards. If you want to give gift card to your customer, then you can create a gift card from this menu. Next is the customer section. In this section you will find out the information related to your customer, like the email of your customer, and information like your customer name and other related thing. Next is the analytics page. So similarly, like home screen, this section will show you the different type of analytics of your store, like total sell, online store session, recurring customer rate, and average order value. So you can check out the analytics from this section. The next one is the marketing. You can create different type of campaign for your product from this section. The next one is discount. If you want to give discount to your customers, then you can create discount from this discount section. And the last one is the app. This is very important. You will need different type of apps for your store. Like if you want to increase your conversion rate, then you will use different theme. So like Dutify, I am using Dutify theme for increasing sale. So you will add this app to your store. Similarly, if you want to drop ship your product, then you will add oberlo as a app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.